Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. New national record holder Ralford Mullings and defending world 400-meter champion Antonio Watson were the Jamaican winners at the Brussels Diamond League meet in Belgium on Friday. Jermaine Brown reports.
In certainly one of the biggest wins of his career so far, national record holder Ralford Mullings upstaged a quality field to win the men's discus at the penultimate Diamond League meet of the season in Brussels, Belgium on Friday. 21-year-old Mullings threw 69.66 meters to win the event, the third farthest throw of his career. This was also his first ever win on the Diamond League circuit. Amongst his scalps were world record holder and current world leader Mikhailos Alekna of Lithuania, who finished second with 68.82 meters. 2022 world champion Christian Che of Slovenia, who took third with 67.13 meters, as well as Paris Olympic champion Roger Stoner, who ended seventh with 65.67 meters.
Feeling good, feeling great. Getting acclimated to the traveling stuff and coming out with 69 meters in the wind. I mean, has to be top 5 performances, I would say.
Jamaica's other win on the day came from reigning world 400-meter champion Antonio Watson, who signaled a return to form with a season's best, 44.89 seconds, to win the Invitational men's one-lap event. This makes him the joint second fastest Jamaican this season, along with national champion Rasheen McDonald. The next best placed Jamaican was another national champion, Romain Beckford, who leapt 2.22 meters for third in the men's high jump. The event was won by Ole Dorokchuk of the Ukraine with 2.25 meters, the same height as second place Thomas Carey of Belgium. Five-time world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce could only manage fourth in the women's 100 meters, clocking 11.17 seconds behind American winner and Paris Olympic bronze medalist Melissa Jefferson-Wooden, who sped to 10.76. Antoinette Knight was also a fourth-place finisher in the women's 400-meter hurdles. She clocked 54.40 to finish behind American winner Anna Cockrell, 53.66. Paris Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts, with 14.29 meters, also ended fourth in the women's triple jump, while countrywoman Akeelia Smith ended seventh with 13.97 meters. The event was won by world leader and world indoor champion Lianis Hernandez Perez of Cuba with 14.78 meters. And national record holder Daniel Thomas Dodd placed fifth in the women's shot put with a best effort of 18.92 meters. The final Diamond League meet of the season takes place in Zurich on August 27 and 28. Thereafter, a number of the athletes will turn their attentions to the World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. The World Athletics Championships can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ and TVJ-SN with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage begins on September 12. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.